Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
Pattern, topic, vocabulary for learning English. I'm getting up. I'm shaving. I'm getting dressed. I'm making breakfast. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm going to work. I'm going to bed. I'm a mail carrier. I'm a nurse. I'm a student. I'm listening to music. I'm skateboarding. I'm doing a puzzle. I'm happy. I'm angry. I'm full. I'm not so good. I'm a mother. I'm a grandmother. I'm on an airline. I'm riding a bicycle. I'm taking a bus. I'm having lunch. I'm drinking water. I'm dusting. I'm watering the plants. I'm feeding the dog. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe And please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. Plus, there are many more worksheets and flashcards that go with my other videos. So please check out my Patreon page. Support me there so I can support you here.
Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.